Hi, I'm James from Finding Country, and you've joined me here today in the highly sought after village of Ufton, south of Leamington Spa, where we've got this beautiful 4 double bedroom home, Highcroft. It occupies a generous plot with a double garage, offering loads of scope moving forward, subject to planning consent. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the delightful rear garden of this beautiful home. Just down the road, we've got the Ufton Nature Reserve. It really is a special place to live. And there's a huge amount of scope with side access on both sides. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.